Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So today we're in Long Mountain Main Road. I know you already seen the title. So we're doing a drive along that road. But before we start the journey, there's a new construction happening at the start of Long Mountain Main Road. So it seems as if it's gonna be some housing development. The project is being done by the Housing Agency of Jamaica. So it seems as if it's gonna be a housing project right here at the start of the Long Mountain Main Road. So this is something that I'll track and I'll follow up on, because right now we can see the land excavation has just started. So it'll be amazing to see how it get developed. So let's stay tuned for this and let's start the journey. We're driving Long Mountain Main Road. If you're new to the channel, guys, definitely subscribe. You probably watched a few videos and haven't subscribed as yet. Definitely subscribe, guys. Remember to like, remember to leave your comment, and remember to share as well. So let's take a drive along the Long Mountain Main Road. It's a very decent space as well in terms of the span of the project. So I guess they'll be excavating this entire area. So we'll watch it, and as it come along, we'll see it as well. Alright, so let's continue on our journey. Guys, so this will be a big project based on the land area that I'm seeing. And up in the hills, so the views, I'm sure the views will be superb. So they're drilling down the mountainside, and I'm thinking it's gonna be probably some townhouses. So this is where they're starting. So this is the Long Mountain Country Club. You know, you need access from here. It's a gated community. We give you some great views of Kingston, of the Kingston Harbor as well. Alright guys, so we're heading back down the hill. So one of the main aim is show you guys some of the views from up this side. But before we head back down, just gonna go around this side here. I'll probably take this route as well. Guys, so we just finished Mount Clear. Alright, so rather than exiting from Long Mountain side, we are exiting from Beverly Hills side. So that's the side we're taking to come off the mountain. So just passing Parkhurst Drive. And we have Wycliffe Close. So we just finished Beverly Drive. Alright, some great views from up here in Beverly Hills. Alright guys, so remember to leave your comments, remember to like, remember to share as well, and definitely stay tuned for another video, another drive-in video, or another community tour. Definitely stay tuned guys. Alright, and thanks for watching.